Hey there, it's Alistair from Starting a Shopify Store from Scratch. In this video, what we're doing is we're looking at the features of Shopify's POS system. This is just a general overview. What we're doing is going through this page. We're going to have a quick look. I'm going to leave a link in the description box so that if you're interested in getting the POS system from Shopify, you can click through, read some more and learn about the system. And if you're interested, you can then get your own setup from Shopify. So let's start. Obviously, Shopify POS provides you everything you need to set up and take payments within your store or on the go, no matter where you go. It links up to your store and syncs all your data. Comes with a basic plan, $29, $79 and $2.99. You can take payments using any system. External card terminals are provided so that you can take payments on the go. You can take full or part payments. You can store credit card details and provide gift cards. Taxations are normally seamless because once you set up your store, you implement your taxation within the settings of the store. So everything after you've done that is then automated. You can make quick sales, create order notes, register people on your mobile device and create custom receipts. You can offer discounts once off or for limited times, custom discounts and get reports. You can check your daily sales made, your order history, accounting integration to most of the basic payroll systems supported by Shopify, especially something like QuickBooks and Xero. You can manage staff pins. You can track your staff time, and you can even move cash registers. You can also streamline your product collections, create product variants. The POS system supports barcodes, track your inventory, grab custom product reports. You can manage inventory across multiple locations, transfer inventory across locations, and make stock adjustments. When it comes to inventory management, it's great to use the app called Stocky, which is provided by Shopify, where you can forecast demand, see what's selling and what's not, get suggestions from the app to bring in more products of a specific type. You can get inventory reports, be notified when your stock is running low, create purchase orders, and manage your receiving and stock takes. Customer experience is great because you can offer refunds and exchanges. You can email people if they leave your store without buying. You can create QR codes. You can provide review apps where people can let you know what they think of your business, and your inventory is quick and easy to search through so that people can find what they want within seconds. From a customer management point of view, you can create rich customer profiles, check and see what they've ordered before, offer loyalty for customers that keep returning to your store, and give customers contact details and see their contact details all within a Shopify app. All the hardware provided is integrated with Shopify. It all integrates, synchronizes and works beautifully. Analytics provide you an overview of the business where you can see what's happening. You can grab finance reports and sales reports. From a marketing point of view, you have the tools that help you create product reviews, email your customers, create Google Ads, and integrates with social media. There's 24/7 support. Shopify helps you start using the POS system. There are migration tools that allow you to move from another platform into Shopify, and you can also migrate all your products from another system into Shopify quite simply. And you also get support at every step of the way. If you have any questions, come to this page, check out all the details for yourself. You can also email me or ask me questions by posting a comment in the underneath the description box. Follow the links in the description box if this is something of interest to you, and come and have a look for yourself and do your further research for yourself. If you like this kind of content, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so that you know whenever we create new content for this channel. That is it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one.